Hey, what's up guys? Today we're doing a battery on a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. It's on the driver's side. It's pretty simple. It's just two bolts up top on the post, and then there's one in between the battery and the air intake down here. See if I can get a clear shot. It's pretty hard to see in there, but it's down there. That's the block that holds the battery. Alright guys, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and take off the block down here. It's a 10 mil, or I'm sorry, it's a 12 millimeter down here. I would definitely recommend wearing gloves, because if you put this on your skin, it can burn you, or if you get it on your clothes, it'll destroy your clothes. So wear gloves, try not to touch yourself. Here's the block. There's a little lip on it. Let's see if I can get this on the camera here. Yeah. So there's a little lip on it. You can see right up in here. That goes onto the bottom of the battery. Down at the bottom there's a little lip. Goes on like that. Lip goes on the upper side, and then you put your bolt in. Like I said, this is a 12 millimeter. I did have to use some extensions. You could probably do it with just like a wrench, but I have extensions, so might as well use them. We're going to set that off to the side, and then up here. Now we have a 10 mil here and a 10 mil here. Positive, negative. We need to pull those off so we can pull these off. The battery is loose now, so the battery will move freely, see? So let's switch over. Go on here. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just need to loosen it up enough to where you can move it around on the post. Same thing on the positive side. Just loosen it up so you can move it around on the post. You don't have to pull it all the way out. Now, take the positive off. Set it over to the side a little bit if we can. Take the negative off. Try not to jostle these around too much. And now we can pull our old battery out. So that battery's been leaking. I'll try to show it to you here in a minute, but you'll be able to see it. So now we got the open spot. We put our new battery in. And then one thing I've learned is Autozone has really good batteries. Walmart is a little cheaper, but you get what you pay for. Alright, so like I said, there's that little lip on both sides of the battery. Over here there's a holding bar. You want to put that lip under that holding bar, so you'll push back on it like that. Get it nice and sturdy, and then now we can put this one in over here. Okay, it comes with the red cap on the positive. You're going to pull the red cap off. Terminals look clean. Don't need to put anything on it. Put your black on. Black before red, or else you're dead. That's what I live by. Now we're going to switch the ratchet over and tighten it. Push down a little bit. You don't want to hammer on these things because you can ruin the upper terminal on the post. Or you can ruin the post. So just tighten it down. Doesn't have to be super tight, just tight enough to where it doesn't move around. Okay, that's solid. Same thing with the positive. Terminals look clean. Take the positive, push the positive on, push down. Make sure it's on there good. And then same thing. Just tighten it down enough to where it's not moving around, but you don't need to get all crazy on it. See, solid. Now, you could put they do have the packs. Here, I have one, I think. So they do have these like battery install kits. Comes with one for the negative, red one's for the positive. Some instruction on the back, and a little bit of grease up here for terminal corrosion. I live in Vegas. It's super hot here, super dusty, but I never actually have a problem with corrosion. I went through 3 batteries, so I don't put it on. You can, if you get a lot of corrosion, you clean it off with a wire brush and then clean off the terminals, and then you put this stuff on the top and on these rings, and these rings go under this, so you would put these on before you put the positive and negative cables on. But like I said, I live in Vegas, it's hot and it's dusty, and when you put this stuff on here, all it does is just get gunked up top. So I try to avoid it. But if you live somewhere where you need it, go ahead and put it on. Alright, so now that we have the negative connected and the positive connected, we can go ahead and close this. We're good there. All we gotta do now is just put this one back in down here. Go back to the extensions. Take this block. Remember, it goes in like this, high side up. Go down in there, line up your hole, and then just go back in with the bolt. Nice and lined up. It's on the grooves, and you just tighten it down. You're done. Like I said, it doesn't have to be super tight. You don't want to over tighten it, strip something or break something. Just enough. Now's a good time to clean stuff out of your car that you don't need also. Alright guys, so here's the old battery. Then you can see that it's been leaking there and there. So like I said, you don't want to get that on you. Just make sure you wear gloves, safety protection stuff. Don't get it on your clothes, it'll eat away your clothes. But that's a tall tale sign right there that a battery's going out. I got 5 years out of this one though. Duralast Golds, they're pretty good. Anyways, thanks for watching.